Hello, today we're going to talk about a new feature in APDL, the landing recency calculation. From the menu, we're going to go into the legality page, and at the top I'm going to tap the 117 unaugmented row with the green 117 unaugmented legality lozenge. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, and the second to the last section here is FAR 121.439 recent landing experience. And this shows me that as of this date, my landing's currency expires on September 26, 2024. Within the last 90 days, I've had 46 landings, 3 landings required in the last 90 days, and this footnote shows that it's been calculated using the A320 type and is valid for July 4th, 2024. So if you are a person who flies an aircraft that has multiple variants that all count toward the same type, all of those different variants count toward the same landing currencies. So in this case, only using the 320 type is not correct. So we're going to go back to the settings page and go to aircraft types, and you can see in here I have A320 and A321 just as a sample here, and the recent experience types down here at the bottom is only displaying A320. So I can use this row down here at the bottom to add common type and select 321, and now I have A320 and A321 selected as included in the recent experience types. In the footnote here in the middle, we see 121.439 current through September 26, 2024 with 91 landings in the last 90 days for A320 and A321. If I go in here to A321 and deselect this green indicator that says it's one of the common types, now this footnote says 46 landings and only using A320. So there's two different ways that you can add or subtract a aircraft type from the list of common types included in this calculation. Selecting the green indicator there is the one, and then you can add down here at the bottom as well. And then this is just a sample, but if I had 737 on here, that is not included in the landings that are calculated with this feature. Next to the hours for each one of these aircraft types, you can see September 26th and September 25th and a little calendar icon, and that indicates the expiration date for that specific type based on landings on just that type. So we'll go back to the legality page again, scroll down, and now we see we have 91 landings in the past 90 days, and then footnote indicates A320 and 321 is in the calculation. I can go in the top right where this paper icon, that'll take me to my legality detail view. I'm going to tap trip sheet and change it to the legality detail, and again scroll to the bottom, and we have an entire list of all of the landings included in the previous 90-day calculation for landing recency. So you can use that for verification, and you can also use it to determine how far out your landing currency will be extended if you do an additional landing on a certain day, if you're flying perhaps an international fleet where you get very few landings and your landing currency could actually become a problem. So that's an update to the legality for tracking landing currencies in APDL. We hope you like this update. Thanks for watching.